welcome to It's a Missy Thing, where I am finding beauty, humor, and fun in everyday life. What I thought we'd talk about in this video is contouring. Contouring's been all the rage for a few years. We've all seen the pictures of the girls with the contour and the highlighter and all this complicated placement of all these different products, and it can be a little overwhelming. So I wanted to just share with you how simple and easy contouring can be. I started contouring probably about 10 years ago. I went to one of those, at a department store. One of the big makeup counters had a makeup artist from New York who came to do makeup, and I always loved going to those things to, get a free makeover and get some tips. And he did contouring on my cheeks, and I thought, that looks really good, but I don't know if I can do that. I decided to give it a try. That was how I initially got into contouring. There are so many products out there that are for contouring, and it can be a little bit overwhelming. But I'll tell you, if you're new to contouring and you want to try and experiment before you go putting a whole lot of money into a contouring product, you probably already have something in your makeup drawer, or if you're like me, one of your 4 makeup drawers that would work for contouring as you get started, to kind of play with it, get used to how it works, and go forward from there. I'm going to talk about 5 different face shapes: round, oval, heart-shaped, square, and long. I'll have images later on in the video for each of those face shapes, and it will show where you place the highlighter, the contour, and the blush for placement of your specific face shape. And I'll put the timestamps down in the description box, so when you get ready to do your makeup and you want to try your contouring, you can skip straight to your face shape. So let's get into it. I will be demoing the round face because I have the round face. Thank you, little Debbie. Now there's a couple of different contouring products I use. I have a contouring stick from the Mary Kay line. All of my skincare and cosmetics is from the Mary Kay line. I am an advanced product consultant with Mary Kay, and I do sell the Mary Kay products. But my videos aren't about trying to make you buy my products. This is just show you how to use the products you already have. But if you are interested in anything that I talk about or any of the cosmetics that I have on, I'll have the links and the descriptions down in the box below. And you can always reach out. I'm happy to answer any questions and to hook you up with products if you are interested in any of them, and if you don't already have a Mary Kay consultant that you're working with. That you can see right there. This is the Chroma Fusion Contour in Latte, and that's actually what I'm going to be using today. I feel like using a powder is a little more forgiving and a little bit easier to blend those edges in, so you don't have the harsh lines. I have so many people that I hear say, I can't do contouring. I look like I have racing stripes down my face. I know. And the problem most of the time is not blending enough. You want to really, really soften the edges where you've put contour. And I think when you put it on with a brush, it is a little more forgiving, especially if you're just getting into contouring. For me, the first place that I put contour is along my cheekbone. I'm going to take the contour color, get a little on my brush, start at the hairline, and work in. So I'm just short, fast strokes and pulling up and just bringing it right under that cheekbone. And see, already it's giving that appearance of having a sculpted cheekbone area. On the other side, same thing, right at the hairline, top of the ear, and come down under your cheekbone. Different face shapes will have different placement for the contour and the highlight. And that's in the images that I have coming up. It's going to show you where to put it for the maximum benefit. And sometimes you might end up adjusting a little bit up or down. On the round face, it actually looks like the contour is being placed a little bit lower than what I'm doing it. But I've learned with my face shape that a little bit higher keeps everything lifted. As we get older, things tend to want to settle. We'll call it settling. And I noticed that with my cheeks. So I go on the higher end of that area where you want to put your contour to just, keep everything lifted. That's important at this point in the game. The next area that I go to is the jawline. I really want to de-emphasize the jowl area and have a more sculpted jawline. Same principle, you're going to take your brush and I'm going to start right at the jawline and you just sweep it under the edge of the jawline. Because with a round face, you're wanting to contour and highlight so that it elongates it a little bit more. You're going for more of an oval shape. That's why the placement in these areas helps to give that illusion of an oval face. Oval faces are supposed to be the ideal face shape because they're balanced forehead, cheeks, and chin. So all you lucky oval-faced gals out there, you've got a little less contouring that you have to do. But I just come down there and I hit up under the chin here because, and I'll run it kind of along the hairline from the ear and then just come down. Let's do the other side. Want to be balanced. I'm trying to keep an eye on the camera and the mirror, so half the time I'm not really sure where I'm looking. And the third main area for your contour with round faces will be up in like the temple area. So you just right at the hairline and just blend that in. Do the other side. Balance out. So get a little blush on here and just start. And like I said, I kind of overlap those two. So this is fun. Apparently Mother Nature has decided it's time to have a hot flash. And so that's why all of a sudden I just have this nice red creeping up my neck. 50s are so much fun, so much fun. To set my foundation and blend out the contour a little more. I'm using a Mary Kay translucent powder. It's great for setting foundation. This is my quick and easy contouring. Up next, I'll have the different face shapes so you can find the perfect placement to contour your face shape. And that's contouring. I hope you come away with some tips and ideas for how to contour your specific face shape. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, I really appreciate it if you give the video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so we can find beauty, humor, and fun in life together. I will see you in my next video. Take care.